You are a little confused by things inside the house. Often you are lost looking for something that you were sure you had left somewhere and is no longer. Yeah, it looks like you need a little help in the organization. Do you find it difficult? Nothing. In this video we bring inspirations of organization, so that you can live better in your space. You spend hours at the door trying to get it right. Which key will open it? Play with the colors by marking them with nail polish. Are you tired of tidying up the drawers and the next day it's all over again, being that you were just looking for a piece? How about making drawer dividers using ice cream jars? Still on clothes? See how to organize a cup bra. Do your hair clips live all over the house and when you need them you can find none? With this tip, you can find them all in the same place and the best, taking up little space. And the items in the pantry, are they organized? Is space missing? Organize with baskets and pots. The glass jars are always with grains in the kitchen. Putting labels gives it an extra charm. No place for a flat iron and hairdryer in the bathroom? PVC pipes can help you. Plastic baskets are also a charm. Speaking of baskets, use and abuse them also to store items in the room. Look how cute these personalized hooks with cacti are. In the kitchen you can use perforated panels to hang frying pans, shells and small items. If you don't have perforated panels, use shelves and even nails to organize your items. How do you organize the items in your house? Have you used any of these ideas? Tell us in the comments. We hope you enjoyed the tips and get inspired. Subscribe to the channel, and if you are not yet subscribed, activate notifications to stay tuned for news. We hope you enjoyed it. And we're waiting for you in the next video.